back to WTF Rc Cars. So we've got a bit more fun with the grass track again today. Just thought we've got a day off work, so we'd bring all the cars out, do a few tests, see how much difference of speed there is between each one, try a few different setups with tyres, basically just see what makes the biggest difference, and pit a few different types of cars against each other. We've done quite a few races around this track, and we got the Lapmonitor system. Makes it a hell of a lot more fun, but it does come in really useful for when you're trying to compare different cars or different tyres on the same type of car. Just makes it really interesting. So I thought I'd give you a quick walk around the track so you get some idea of actually how long the track is and the actual layout, and then hopefully the video of the cars going around track make a lot more sense. So I know the camera, where we're situated with the start finish line, the camera can't quite get the whole track. So hopefully this will just give you a bit more of an impression of what the track's like. Now we've got the Lapmonitor start finish line there, and the camera there. So that's his track layout, and hopefully we get some good videos. Thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like and subscribe. Any comments, leave below. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, and we'll see you again next time.